I'm heading out of town for work, so that means I have to have some dinners ready for my family. I'm gonna start off with a lazy man lasagna with some meat sauce in there, and a Mexican taco shell dinner. It's really good. Chicken enchiladas, and a meatloaf. It's literally 1 in the morning. I can't sleep the night before a flight. Okay, I'm gonna start by putting this whole package of chicken breasts in my Instant Pot. And I am going to season the chicken with some salt and pepper. All right, I'm putting 2/3 cup of water in, and I'm going to high pressure these for 12 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna add a bag of rigatoni to the water. First, I'm gonna salt it. Then I'm going to add the shells in. Salt this water. In this pan, I am going to brown up some ground beef. I'm going to season the ground beef. 4 pounds of ground beef for multiple recipes. So all I have to do is brown it once and then divide it up. Okay, we got the rigatoni. We're going to add this back to the pot. Derek said that with his lazy man lasagna, he would love it with some ground beef instead of sausage this time. I'm going to add in probably half of this ricotta cheese. Okay. So I'm going to add some parsley, some Italian seasoning. I'm going to add some pecorino romano cheese to this. Right, so then we're going to add some mozzarella. I don't measure this recipe, like, at all. Mix all this in, get that cheese melted in there. So I'm going to put a whole jar of sauce in. My favorite sauce is the Bertolli, and anything of the Bertolli is delicious. Oh, that cheese is so melty. I have another jar here. Whatever I don't use, I'll put it in the fridge and we'll use it up within the next 2 weeks. You could do this so many ways with more vegetables and sausage and, oh, spinach. Then I'm gonna add some mozzarella on top. I'm just keeping my oven at 375 tonight, so everything's gonna cook at that temperature. And Paige is underneath me getting everything I drop. These are done. I'll get this all shredded up. Okay, the rest of this ground beef, I'm gonna turn into taco meat. Some of this. There'll be leftover taco meat. Half of this will go into the Mexican stuffed shells, and the other will go into a container, and then they can make themselves soft tacos for lunch. My kids love them. Try to leave about a pound in there. How will I know? I don't know. Now I'm gonna add a cup of salsa. You can use mild, this is medium. I'm gonna mix that really good. Then I'm gonna add half of this cream cheese. So that is 4 ounces. I wanna get all of that cream cheese melted in there good. Oh man, this smells so good. Ooh, let's check on the lazy man. Oh, that is done. And this will cool off. Okay, you're gonna need a 10-ounce can of red enchilada sauce. Okay, spread that out. Stuff these shells and then place them down in my pan. I'm gonna drizzle the rest of this enchilada sauce over the tops of these. And then we'll add some cheese. Use any cheese you like. I already have this shredded. I have big blocks of cheese that I could shred, but I am not in the mood tonight. So you could serve this up with Spanish rice, nice green salad. Of course, serve it up, well, I would love green onions and cilantro on this, sour cream, some chopped tomatoes, avocados, jalapenos, olives, 350 degrees, bake for 20 minutes. All right, I'm working on the chicken enchiladas. I have my shredded chicken in here, some diced chilies. I'm gonna add a little bit of the enchilada sauce, and then this whole block of cream cheese. So my enchilada sauce is the Las Palmas green chili. It's our favorite. Last time I used the hot. The kids liked it, but Shaylee's mouth was on fire. So I'm gonna do the mild one today. All right, it's time to assemble. I'm gonna put some of this enchilada sauce down at the bottom. Mexican shells are done. I'll get those out, and then when I'm done with this, we'll get this in the oven. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. Oh, yum. I'm gonna put some of the sauce on top. Right, I thought I could get away without shredding cheese, but I can't. So, I'm shredding some Colby Jack. Lots of cheese on ours. Gooey cheese. It's going in a 350-degree oven, maybe 20 minutes. I just keep an eye on it, get it all bubbly. Starting on that meatloaf, I add green peppers, onions, eggs, Italian breadcrumbs or regular breadcrumbs, quick oats, and some diced tomatoes. Drain the juice. And salt and pepper. So when I asked everybody, what do you want for meals for me to cook, the very first thing was meatloaf. Oh my yumminess. All right, the meatloaf is all put together. It's a 2-pound meatloaf. I'm not cooking it tonight. I'm going to bed. So Derek has this for tomorrow. I leave in the afternoon, early afternoon, so he could just throw this in the oven. He knows how to do the topping. All right, this is going in the fridge. All right, 3 casserole pans are in the fridge. The chicken enchiladas are still cooling down. Hope you enjoyed this video. So I will see you Sunday or Monday with May's food storage plan.